Welcome to another edition of the Vocabulary Improvement Exercise Part 9. As you can see, this is the story related to producing sugar from the canes, and there are 10 steps to it. So please read the story carefully. If you like the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel, which is Unstoppable Learnings, for regular videos. So let's start with the story. Can you fill the first one? Sugarcane are harvested from different cities of the country. At sugar mill, the stakes are cut into shreds and then pressed to extract juice. Third one is already done for you. The juice is clarified, concentrated, and then crystallized. The crystals are converted into raw sugar. Raw sugar is again melted to remove impurities. After removing impurities, raw sugar is let alone for some time. Raw sugar is cleaned to remove impurities like dust, etc. The crystals are kept to cool at room temperature. The sugar is packed in different size packets. The packets are transported to different parts of the world. This completes the process of making sugar from the canes. Hope you liked the story and it has gained you some knowledge about new words. If you like it, please subscribe our channel, YouTube Learnings, for more videos. Thank you and happy learning ahead.